Good afternoon. You're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. This week's episode brings me to Erie Basin Park, right behind Ikea over in Red Hook, Brooklyn. I'm out here with the NYC 5 Boroughs Drone Meetup Group. I'm going to let you meet some of the guys, but I'm about to put the bird up and get some shots. Hope you enjoy the flight. I'm here with Big Matt. What you flying today, man?
Hey, I'm flying the Maverick 2 Pro.
We got Ray Hall here. Ray Hall, what's up, man?
What's up, baby?
What we flying today?
I fly the Phantom and I fly the Maverick Pro.
So how you doing today, Tom?
Pretty good, Herman. How you been?
I'm hanging in there. So what you flying today?
I was flying the Mavic 2 Pro.
Next time.
I'm here with Jose. He's the guy that planned this meetup here today. I'm back in the cockpit and the wind was getting crazy out there. But that was my time with the NYC 5 Boroughs Drone Meetup Group. Please feel free to check out the descriptions below and also feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101.